Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn about sets operations. In previous video we have talked about sets and syntax of sets, and we have also learned about that what is the key differences between sets and lists or sets and tuples. So if you haven't watched that video, you can just go here in the I button and watch that. So let's start about sets operation. Alright, so currently I am into my PyCharm IDE and I'm straightly giving you an example. So let's suppose you are making a set of your friends who are reading a subject named as data science. Let's give it here name for suppose, and now we have another set here of your friends that are reading Python. So as you can see here that in data science we have Jake, Meera and Nitin, and in Python we have Meera, Kartik and you. So Meera is, you can see in the two places here in the both of set we can see Meera. Alright. So now I want to know that which students are there who have data science but have no Python as a subject. So I'm going to type here a function name as difference, and here in difference I will give Python. Alright, so let's print it out. Go straight to data type, right click and then run data types file. So here you got an output named as Nitin and Jake who have data science but not Python. As you can see, Meera is here having Python language, but Jake and Nitin doesn't have Python. Same you can go along with the second example here as, so here you have got the you and Kartik have Python but no data science, as you can see here. So this is about the difference here. We have function here named as difference that we can apply on sets to get the difference between two sets. Alright, so that's it for this example. Now let's move towards the symmetric difference. In mathematics, the symmetric difference, also known as disjunctive union of two sets. So we have here two sets here, but we will get only those values that are not in both the sets. For suppose Meera in the both sets, so we will get only those values that are having only in one set. So that is symmetric difference. Now I will write program for that. So this is the beauty of PyCharm or IDE, that you automatically get suggestion that is that function you want to write or not, and you simply have to give tab or enter here so that that function will be written automatically. And now I will give here another set name, and that is Python. So here J is occurring only single time, it is not in the Python set also. Kartik and U is also not in the data science. So you can see here, as we have already read it in the mathematics about the symmetric differences. Now let's move towards the intersection. We all know about the intersection. Intersection is that part that is covering the both part in the sets. For suppose if we have Meera in the data science and we have Meera in the Python, so the intersection will take only the part that is Meera is covering. So we will see output as a Meera. So here I create a variable and then I will type a set, then dot, and here I will write intersection, and then in the brackets, in the normal brackets, I will write another set, and that is Python, and then print out the intercept. Run it and you will get Meera in the set, because Meera is the only value that we are getting in both the sets. So that's it about the intersection. Now I will write program about the union. So what do we have in union here? As I have read in the mathematics, in union we get all the values, right? Let's see what we get here. Print union. And here you can see we have got all the 5 values. In the sets we have 6 values, but here we get 5 values. Why? Because set removes the duplicates, as I have shown you in the previous video also, and so we have duplicate miras in the union set here. So that's why it removes one value of mira and then returns the rest 5. So that's it about set operation. There won't be any high uses of it. So sets is basically just to filter out our values so that we can get whether we have get the correct data, whether we have common data, or what are the differences between our data and other data. So that's it about the sets. And so now we are going to cover dictionaries in our next lecture, so stay tuned for that.